Welcome back, my dear students. So now that we're done with the login pages and the shop pages and in the home page and all that, now it's time for us to go to the contact page. All right. Now here in the contact page, we have to set up the link first of all. All right. So let's go to our top navigation, which is inside templates and then front and then top nav. Right here, let's just put together, let's just change the extension here on contact.html to contact.php. I don't believe we have that contact page, but check your files there. I'm going to give you that contact page so that way you have something to use. And I'm going to actually put mine in my htdocs folder, but you should already have this with you. So just look for it in your, it should be already linked in your files. I'm going to actually put mine here. All right, because I didn't have it, but I'm gonna make sure that you do. Make sure if you don't have it, make sure that you download it in this lecture here, but you should have it in your files. All right. All right, so I'm just gonna change the extension here. Give me 1 second to contact.php. All right, there we go. All right, you probably did not have to do that. You probably already had your contact.php, and that's it. This is what it looks like. Okay, all you probably had to do was just change the link and you will go into this page right here. All right, so I'm gonna make sure that you have those files there. Anyway, now that we have that, now that this is good, all right, let's go to our contact page right here, and we need to convert this of course into a dynamic page, right? So let's go ahead and check what our container is. All right, and it looks like that's the container for that. Let's just take all this out of here like we did for the other files, and let's just copy the index.php. There we go, and we need one for the footer also. I'm just gonna copy this one and then rename it. All right, this should be the footer right here, so I'm just gonna take all of this off. All right, take that HR out of there. Let's go ahead and check this out. There we go. All right, so we have our dynamic top navigation there. Perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and work on this contact page. All right, so let's set up the form first. Let me just take out login page and end it and all that. We don't need those files here. Top nav. All right, so what do we got here? First of all, we got a form that we need to put the method attribute in there and make sure that we send post data. Let's put this in double quotes. Post. All right, first input is going to be the name, so we could say the name of the person, right? What else? So that's where it's going to be from, of course, from name, and the email. So the second would be the email. Let's do email. And the third one, it says the phone, but what we're going to do is that we are going to be changing this type to text, and here we want to send in the subject. All right, and the third one, well, the fifth one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fourth one is going to be the message. So let's set up that name attribute there with message. All right, so we got the subject, we got the message, we got the email. All right, and we got the name of that person. All right, we're going to concatenate all that and send it with our mail function. All right, and at the end here, we got a button. Make sure that you put your name attribute here and make it submit. All right, so let's go ahead and check and create a function real quick and test it just to make sure that that function is working. All right, so this is the login user function. Let's make another function here to send message. Send message. All right, and we're gonna be actually copying this if set from the login user. All right, just to make sure that that's working. and we're just gonna echo something out here. It works. All right, so let's go ahead and check it out. Let's refresh right here and send. Well, we got to fill this out because we have some JavaScript. The cool thing about this form is that it does have some validation before it sends this form to our database. All right, well, not to our database, to PHP. So let's just say Edwin, and let's just say support Gmail, whatever, doesn't really matter here. And it says phone number, we got to change that and send message. Okay, it's not working, and we just, of course it's not working because we don't have this function anywhere. We have to actually call the function from here, right? So I'm just gonna call the function from the form. All right, and let's change this placeholder real quick, and let's just say your subject. All right, let's refresh right here, send. We got to do this again at Gmail, whatever, and whatever subject, and this, and send, and it says it works. So we got the function working here. On the next lecture, we're going to continue building on that function, and so that way we can send emails. All right, or users can send us emails. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lecture.